Hi children. Now we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter mensuration topic perimeter. Topics covered: what is perimeter, perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, perimeter of a triangle, and exercise problems. So first let us see what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered once along the boundary of a closed figure. Or to find the perimeter of any plane a closed figure, find the sum of all sides. Let us see one example. The given figure is ABCDE. The sides of the given figure are AB equal to 8 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 15 meter, DE equal to 12 meter, EA equal to 8 meter. Let us find the perimeter. So, perimeter of the figure ABCDE, we already know the perimeter means sum of all sides. So, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. Let us write the length of all sides. So, 8 meter plus 12 meter plus 15 meter plus 12 meter plus 8 meter equal to 55 meter. And that is the perimeter of the figure ABCDE equal to 55 meter. So let us see perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle equal to sum of all its sides. So L plus B plus L plus B equal to 2L plus 2B. Here 2 is common. So let us take the common factor 2 into L plus B units. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. So next, perimeter of a square. Perimeter of the square equal to sum of all its sides. Here, the square sides is denoted by A. Here, all the sides are equal. So, A plus A plus A plus A equal to 4A units. Therefore, perimeter of the square equal to 4A units. Next, perimeter of a triangle. Here, the sides of a triangle is denoted by A, B and C. Perimeter of the triangle equal to sum of all its sides. So, equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore, perimeter of the triangle equal to A plus B plus C units. So, next, perimeter of regular polygons. A regular polygon is a polygon in which all sides are of equal length and all angles are of equal measure. Example, equilateral triangle, square and regular pentagon. Therefore, perimeter of a regular polygons with n sides equal to n into length of each side. Next, perimeter of regular polygons. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 3s because an equilateral triangle have 3 sides. Next, a perimeter of a square equal to 4s. Next, a perimeter of a regular pentagon equal to 5s because a regular pentagon have 5 sides. Next, perimeter of a regular hexagon equal to 6s. Next, a perimeter of a regular heptagon equal to 7s because a regular heptagon have 7 sides. Next, perimeter of a regular octagon equal to 8s. So let us see exercise problems. Exercise 10.1, the first problem. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Here the sides are AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. So we already know perimeter means sum of all sides. So perimeter of the figure ABCD equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. So that is 45 meter plus a 30 meter plus a 42 meter plus 75 meter plus 50 meter equal to 242 meter. The next problem, the sides are AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and FA. The perimeter of the figure ABCDEF equal to sum of all sides. So, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. That is 2 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter plus 8.5 centimeter plus 16 centimeter plus 8.5 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter equal to 44.0 centimeter. So we can write 44 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the figure ABCDEF equal to 44 centimeter. Next, the third problem. Following is the arrangement of various rooms in a house. Find the perimeter of floor of each room. So, here now we want to find the perimeter of kitchen, washroom, living room and bedroom. Let us find the perimeter. So, first, perimeter of the kitchen. Here the breadth is 2 meter, length is 8 meter. So perimeter of the kitchen equal to 8 meter plus 2 meter plus 8 meter plus 2 meter equal to 20 meter. That is perimeter of the kitchen equal to 20 meter. Let us find the perimeter of washroom. Here the length of each side is 3 meter. So, perimeter of the washroom equal to 3 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter equal to 12 meter. So that is perimeter of the washroom equal to 12 meter. So next let us find the perimeter of bedroom. Here the breadth of a bedroom is 11 meter. The length of a bedroom is 9 meter. So perimeter of the bedroom equal to 11 meter plus 9 meter plus 11 meter plus 9 meter equal to 40 meter. Let us find the perimeter of a living room. Here length of a living room is 11 meter. Breadth of a living room is 9 meter. So perimeter of the living room equal to 9 meter plus 11 meter plus 9 meter plus 11 meter equal to 40 meter. Next, fourth problem. Find the perimeter of a rectangles given. The second sum, length equal to 150 meter, breadth equal to 1 meter. So we already know perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. That is, L means length, B means breadth. So 2 into 150 plus 1 meter equal to 2 into 151 meter equal to 302 meter. Next, length equal to 2.5 centimeter, breadth equal to 80 millimeter. So here breadth equal to 80 millimeter. Now we will convert into centimeter. So 80 divided by 10 centimeter equal to 8 centimeter, because 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 2.5 plus 8 centimeter equal to 2 into 10.5 centimeter equal to 21 centimeter. Thank you, children.